Hello. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Kana lafiya? Ya kake? Ya kake yawa? How is your mother? Ya mamanka? Kuma how is your father? Ya babanka? And I hope they are fine. Da fatan suna lafiya. Shike na lecture ɗin. You are beautiful. Kina da kyau. You are handsome. Kana da kyau. Hagan. This is for man, a woman, and this is for man. That is different. Woman is ki. Man is kai. Ka. Where are you going? Ina zaka. Ina zaka. It is for woman. Ina zaki. Man, ina zaka. There is differences. Woman, this is I. This for where is I. Man is A. Ina zaka. Say anjuma. Goodbye. Say anjuma. For man and woman, all is the same. Goodbye. Say anjuma is say anjuma. Good night. Say the safi. For everybody is say the safi. Have you eaten? Ka ci abinci. This is for woman. Is kin ci abinci. This is I love you. Ina son ki. If it's for man, ina son ka. This is I, woman, K-A, man. So, I hate you. Ban son ka. If it is for woman, ban son ki. This is for woman, ban son ki. Stop it. Bari. For man and woman is bari. It is for man, for woman you can say kibari or kabari. This is come. Zo. Come here. Come here. Yes. Come here. Zomana. For woman is zo and for man is zo. All is together. For woman, for come here. For man is zonan. For woman, kizona. For woman, that is all.
Thank you.